Thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome, hello. And if you are returning, you already know the drill. Welcome back, guys, and thank you for coming back. El Natural, as you can see, like I said, was on my little Whole Foods booty bag journey, and I found out there was a TJ Maxx less than a mile from here. I want to see if this one's any better. This is the first time I'm going in here. I don't know if I can film. I'm praying that I can. We're gonna try, see if we get away with it. But if you want to see what's going on here, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not. Rate the video thumbs up and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so there she is. That's the TJ Maxx. Let me tell you something. I've never seen an Ulta that small before. You see it way over there on yonder? It's very small. And then there's a Ross that's super teeny tiny, but then you have a gigantic TJ Maxx, which kind of looks way bigger than the one by me. So we're gonna see. My name is Stephanie. I'm the host around here if you are new, and we do have a lot of newcomers, so I just want to say thank you for coming on board. This channel is a beauty channel, obviously, but it's a real life beauty channel. Things don't always turn out as we plan, but we roll with it and we keep on trying. There's no mistakes over here. Life lessons. We learn and we move on from that. So if you think you can get into that, unboxings as well, anything beauty related really, then please hit that button over here and become part of the family. So let's get into TJ Maxx, shall we? I will say I find it quite amazing that they all look the same. So I found some really cute things, so hang on. So this is the BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac, which I've not seen before. I've seen a Zodiac palette, but not this one. So let me show you. It's on clearance for $10. So there it is. Here you have the baked colors. And then yeah, it's kind of like a different color story. It does come with a mirror, so pretty cool. I've not seen this one before, so okay guys, so check it out. Check out who this is. This is Aether Beauty. I have this palette. It came in the Ipsy X, and I've been trying to swap for one to do a giveaway with, because I have not yet touched mine. So how cool is that? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's here. This is a really good TJ Maxx. I'm going to be coming here from now on. Well, it's very far from my house, but I'm still going to try and make it here, because wait till you see the things I found. It's crazy. And they only want $15 for it, and you know me, pinks and purples and all that. And then something else that I'm shocked to see here. Holy moly. That's right. It is the Glam Light Cake palette, and I didn't get this one. I got the donut palette, but how much and it's for $15, guys. Now, I am trying to find a bunch of palettes to dupe for the Natasha Denona palette. See if you can build it yourself, you know, without purchasing it. And oh my gosh, I can't believe it. For 15 bucks, that's crazy. I may just get this. I can't open it, guys, because it's sealed in plastic, so that's good. And it's the only one. Wow, I'm amazed. And then check it out, Morphe, the Coca-Cola Cherry Coke palette. What? Amazing. I know my TJ Maxx doesn't have this. There's the shades right there. Holy moly. I'm blown away. I can't believe it's here. They're still selling it on the website. And then there's the Cara Beauty. It is, I don't know the name of it. Cara Duo. There are the shades. Now I'm betting that you could, I mean, look at those shimmers. Those shimmers look amazing, right? How much do they want for this? $10. Now I will say, I think the prices here are a little more expensive than mine. Look how pretty they are though. Oh my gosh. Wow. Really pretty shimmers for spring. Holy moly. Then there's the Wet n Wild Saved by the Bell palette. Again, with a lot of the pastel colors. See what I'm saying? How much is this one? This is $6. Yeah, $6, $5.99. So that's cute. This one right here is so pretty. Again, for spring, right? I mean, you have some neutrals in there. You have some pastel colors. There's that purple, that pretty like shimmery pink. This is a limited edition. It is the Cotton Candy Cloud palette from Wet n Wild. It's only for $6. I've not tried. I do have an LA Girl palette, but not a Wet n Wild palette. So you guys have to comment down below and let me know. Have you tried any of these palettes? How do they perform? And then we have the BH 2000s Remix Dance. There are no shades on the back, but they want $10 for this, which is kind of high for BH Cosmetics. Although I don't know if it's because everything's going up. But let's check out the color story. Okay, so there it is. A lot of pretty like the purples, so calling my name, the pink, and then these are like, I want to say like a duochrome maybe, I don't know, or just a straight shimmer, but then you have the purples. This is like a duochrome. It's not showing up white. It has like a shift to it, but yeah, like a champagne-y shift. Very nice, very pretty. Then I found 2 palettes from Hip Dot. I don't know what the name of this palette is. Oh, the Moon Queen. There it is, and there are the shades right there. Hip Dot showers are supposed to be really, really good. I don't see a price on here. No, I don't, and this is the only one. Oh, okay, so it's not an eyeshadow palette. It's more like a face palette, I guess. So you have banana powder, some blushes right there, and then some maybe highlighters or bronzer. Yeah, pretty. Oops, let me get the cover. See, I'm always dropping the cover, right? Always, always. And then here's the other Hip Dot palette I found. This is $10. Just look at all the shadows. Now again, pastels, right? So let's take a look at it. This is the Diamond Diva with Meatball. I don't know. Crazy, crazy. Hang on. Okay, definitely a rainbow palette, but again, pastels. Kind of. That color right here, I do know that's in the Natasha Denona, the similar color, but, and then you have pressed glitter syrup. But yeah, so that's a pretty palette. And then we have one more from BH Cosmetics. This is the 90s Remix Dance. That is the outer sheath. And there you have the back. Let's see how much is this one. $10 as well. Let's check out the color story. So you see what I mean? Oh my gosh. Definitely more neon, but you could absolutely go light with it. This color is in the Natasha Denona palette. It's called Genie is the shade, but it's a very light, like mint green. And then of course you have this color, which is pretty close to one of the shades in the palette. Then you have the Morphe. This is 9X, a little extra. There are the colors there. I'm gonna open it up. This is for $9. It's a little 9-pan palette. So there are the colors there. Now guys, if you look at them in the light, yes, there are some dark colors in there, but this one, they're all appearing darker than they actually are. This is a very light color here. I don't know, I can't see the name of it, but there is a shade similar to that in the Natasha Denona. And then you have the Makeup Revolution Turkish Delight. So there are the shades right there. And I think they want, hold on, let me look. Yeah, this one is $4. And there's the clearance racks right there. So, you know, we're gonna just pop over here and take a look really quickly, see if I find anything. So there's a lot of like hair tools, which I don't need. And then you have diffusers. Oh, here's some more palettes that's on clearance. Yes, they are. A whole bunch. Oh, and look at the Zoeva, which I bought and have not tried yet because it was the wrong shade. Let's see. Ooh. Here we go. From, who is this from? This is No Problem. It is the primer and the serum. What does it bring? It brings Chinese lettering. I don't understand. So this is Korean skincare. I didn't know that. I had no idea. This little set is really cute, and it's $12. Then you have the Riviera palette. It's on sale for 20 bucks. The Jaclyn Hill that's on clearance as well. I don't see any of the Cake palette, so that kind of stinks. I still have it in my cart. I'm undecided about that one, guys. This is the BH Brush 2 Tapered Powder Brush, which is a really good brush for blush. I like it for blush. See it right there? How much do I want for this sucker? Only $3. Here's a Real Techniques. This is a, I want to say a highlighter brush. Soft Glam, yeah it is. For $3 as well. Pretty cool brush for highlighters. And then you have all these little palettes. This is Wet Cherry. Oh, from Line Crime. Let me see this one. So we all know Line Crime's heck of expensive. That shadow was popped up. I put it back in. Maybe it's shimmer palette. Like use it as a companion palette. It's very pretty. Wish it wasn't broken. Let's see. They want it for $8. And you all know Line Crime is heck of expensive. And then we have the Wet Cherry. That one is, this is Metallics. And this one is Sweet Mattes. There is a shade missing from here. This one is $8 as well. So $2 a shadow because there's only 4 in here. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at how pastel-y that is. Very pink, very purple. But anyway. And look what else I found. This was on clearance, guys. Look. For $7. And it does come with a card. Okay. Let's just pray that the shadows aren't all screwed up. No, they kind of look okay to me. I cannot decide because y'all know I have so many palettes. Hey, my phone is gonna die. I just checked. It's $43.50 on the website for the Aether Beauty palette, and you can get 15% off if you never purchase anything. But then again, you have to do shipping, even if it's free shipping. Still, I just went on the Glamlight site. Now you can take 35% off because they are actually having, at the time of filming, which is March 16th, I think, or 17th, something like that. It's 35% off for St. Patty's Day. So they want $40. So if you take $12 off 40, that leaves it at $28. You can get it, but then you have to get shipping. So for 15 bucks, and I don't own it, I'm gonna take a look at it one more time and make my decision. I can't get both of them. And plus I just paid $165 for my Beautylish order for the Natasha Denona. So I think oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I'm never gonna find these here again. That's crazy. I think I'm just gonna grab them both. The heck with it. And yeah, my phone is gonna die. So if I don't finish this video and next time you see me is in my studio, then that's what happened. Okay, so I plugged my phone in my car. Now, really quickly, we're gonna go over this and I'm gonna end this video because yeah, I have to still edit it. So I spent a total of $29.66, okay? I did get the only big palette I have from this brand is the Michaela X Glamlight, and I see that the PR bundle is on sale for $89 again. And I think, I don't know if there's 35% off of that, which would be pretty good, but I have the palette. I got the whole, you know, kit. The cake palette, it was $14.99 with tax. I did go ahead and get the Aether Beauty palette, the Moonlit Crystal palette right here, the real pretty purple pinky one. Great for spring. They have some really pretty colors. I will be doing a giveaway with this. And then, wow, my eyes are tired, yeah. We have it's called Pure Block Daily Sunscreen, Daily SPF 45 PAA. So I'm imagining that this is not mineral, but I want mineral. I have some sunscreen. We got it in a box by Fashion Stuff, and I absolutely love it. It goes wonderful under makeup. This one has aloe and stuff in it. I think it's for your face. We're gonna see. If not, I told her, can I bring it back? It's from a Pew. That's what it sounds like. Can you see that? Yeah, there it is. That's the name. Never heard of this brand before. They did have, I don't remember, Alba, I think it was, for your face, but it was mattifying. And yeah, your girl don't need that, that's for sure. But then they did have another one, but it was water resistant. And I'm like, no, that's kind of weird for your face. Yeah, I can see if I'm swimming, but not for makeup. You feel what I'm saying? So hopefully this one will work. It was a big one, $6.99. So that's what I bought. That is my haul. I spent 30 bucks, got 3 items, but if you were to add up everything, even with the discounts that they're having for like St. Patty's Days and stuff,